Alright, guys. Okay, this is the last unboxing of the day. I'm trying to get everything done today because I'm behind like always because of stuff. I don't want to get into detail. Let me try and open this with scissors. Finally. Let me sing and always sing. Oh snap. Okay, so finally, I don't know which brand sent me this. I didn't say anything, but it comes with a lot of products. Damn, this brand came through, or platform. I don't know who sent me this. Wow, it's probably Hamish. Oh, this is Hamish Acne line. Oh, it's probably Nordhive or Stylevana. I'll probably put it here. I don't know. So this is acne cleansing foam. Okay, I think this brand or platform told me what's my skin type, my skin concerns. I gave them a list of things that I struggle with, and then they sent me these products. So supposedly these products are gonna help my skin, which I don't think so, because acne prone skins make my skin react bad. Like the other Replenic skincare, remember my face was so red and crazy. I'm kind of nervous, and if you don't stop using these acne products, then you're gonna continue to get a lot of pimples, and I don't recommend it. I mean, maybe it works for some other people, but not for me. So. Well, they tried. Ooh, I love the green. The packaging is like ombre. Okay, their packaging, they know how to do cute packaging. Let me open this. Hold on. It's very tight. I can't open it. Okay, I can't smell anything, but supposedly this has matcha, so it probably smells like grass. I don't drink that. A lot of people drink it. I don't know why it's been trending. I don't know why people like it, but it looks green. It looks like green tea, but it's not. It's kind of like, yeah, another type of tea leaf, I think. I don't know. It's not letting me open. Okay. It smells like, well, it's kind of thick. It looks like a mask, not so much a cleanser. So, oof, it's cleansing foam. Let's see. Well, you can kind of see it's empty here with the shadow. Well, you can't see it in the camera, but I can. So I don't know, we'll see. I've tried their cleansing balm. It's pretty nice, and their regular cleanser, pretty nice too. It kind of made my skin have a lot of tiny red dots, but at that time I had them already, so I don't know if it was this that made it worse or it just emphasized it. I don't know, so I'm kind of scared to use this, to be honest. Okay, the next thing they sent me is Haru Wonder. Oh, it's because this is all Korean skincare, I believe. So this is black rice hyaluronic toner. So I do need toner. I don't know toner, so thanks for sending me this. This is for sensitive skin, so yes, thanks a lot. Well, I need this. So this is literally grown black rice. It's vegan, so, and it has bamboo and all these ingredients that are not really in the US. It's hard to find, so I don't know. Koreans have really great skin, so I trust them with the ingredients they put. If it works for them, it's gonna probably work for me, I hope. So I'm trying to have very clear skin. So ooh, the packaging looks pretty nice. So obviously it's in Korean. I don't understand it, so I can't really see what the ingredients have, but whatever it says. So it doesn't have alcohol or fragrance. So toners have a lot of alcohol, and it's drying, and it's kind of pretty strong. If you have sensitive or dry skin like me, it's not recommended. But this one supposedly doesn't have all that, so I'm excited for it because I needed something like this for my skin. Like, yeah, I had no idea. So let's see if my skin doesn't react. So let me kind of set it. So it's just like a little tiny hole. So you just put it in a cotton round and apply it. But I don't like using that because it's just a waste. It's pretty nice. So let's see how it works. Okay, so the next thing is this little box. Oh, it's an eye care cream from Biopeptine. Alright. Oh no, it's from Swanee Coco Natural Cosmetics. So I do need eye cream. I'm running out of the one that I've been using from Kinship. So I needed another eye cream. So this brand came through. This is in Korean. So I don't know what it says or what it's for. Probably it's just for brightening your eyes. I don't know, it doesn't say in English. I don't know. So let's see. Oh, okay, so it looks like this. Cool. It matches my lipstick. It comes with this little safety seal sticker, so it's probably gonna come like a little tube applicator, so I'm just not gonna open it right now. So let me do a video trying this all in one video. We'll see. This skincare box is amazing. I don't know, they read my skin concerns, so we'll see. This is gonna help me. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm kind of scared. So the next thing is from Togopo, and it's a sunscreen, SPF 50. Yes, I need sunscreen. This, oh, this is actually in English. Never mind, it's vegan. So what else? It has seed extract. Okay, it has a lot of ingredients that I don't know what it is, and I don't know if I'm gonna be allergic, but this is how it looks. It looks promising. Okay. Oh, it matches my lipstick. Okay, so that has a lot of ingredients. That makes me nervous. Why does it have a lot? Okay, let me open it. Ooh, it looks like deodorant. The packaging, I like the blue and red. Like, these are my favorite colors. So, well, my top two, obviously. Okay, let me open it. Oh, it's just, oh, it smells like sunblock, like sunscreen. It looks white. Oops, you see? Oops, I accidentally poured it. So I like that it's clear. The other one that they sent me is kind of pink. It looks more like a primer, so I'm excited for this because I want a white sunscreen. That's what I prefer. So far I liked their products they chose for me. Well, not all. The acne wash, I didn't like. These I do. So the next thing they just sent me is, ooh, this purple box, retinol intense reactivating serum. Listen, retinol is dangerous, so I'm not even gonna try it because of my skin. I'm scared to use it. Okay, so this is, you use this after washing your face. So it's just like a serum, and you just put it in your face, and that's basically it. So just do a patch test on your elbow, or yeah, why elbow? Okay, I'd never heard of that before. So you can't use it out in the sunlight because it's gonna burn your face. You're literally cooking oil. If you use this, it's like cooking oil to your face. So if you go outside, you're gonna burn. Okay, yeah, I don't like these things. This scares me. So you're supposed to use it at night. So, and you have to use sunscreen in daytime. So even though you don't go outside, you're supposed to use sunscreen, and I'm gonna forget, and I don't like that. pressure. Gets anxious. Okay, so I'm way too scared. This is basically anti-aging. It helps you look younger. I've seen a lot of people use this, and they say I'm 30 or 40 years old and I've been using retinol all my life, and their skin looks like if they're 18, 20 years old. It really works, but you have to be very careful, or now you're gonna burn your face, you're gonna boil your face. It's very dangerous, so if you're not careful, obviously. So, but like me, if you're a person like me that forgets things, or when it comes to skincare and all that, so this is not for you, okay? But I love the box. Try and smell it. Oh, it looks like a milky cream. It doesn't smell like anything, so that's a good sign. It looks like this white. The last thing they sent me is Mugwort Calming Cream. Okay, so this is a cream for sensitive skin. So balances oil and moisture and all that. So this is calming cream. It's alright. Let's see. The rest is Korean, so I don't know. Okay, so it's non-irritating, which I need. So okay, so most of the things they sent me, I think it will work on my skin. So you just put it in your face and that's it. So it's just a cream. So okay. Then they sent me a whole face routine. Literally, they sent me everything. Ooh. Looks like a leaf, like a cute packaging. It looks like toothpaste. It looks like toothpaste. I hope it's not it's white. Yeah, I can't smell anything, so that's a good sign. Again, like I say all the time, it's non-scented and white. Thank you. So yeah, this was made for me for sure. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this skincare unboxing. I'm gonna probably do a video trying them out all out in the single day. So we'll see. And I'm gonna try to use these for 2 weeks. Actually, no, I can't, because if I'm gonna be out in the sun, never mind. I don't know. We'll see. So, oh, wow. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They sent me 6 products. That's a lot for free. They usually send you 2, 3 things. This is a lot. So, damn, they came through. They pulled through. They're very generous. This brand platform, they took a long time. Actually, no, it's also because of me. But wow, it was worth the wait. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Unboxing. I think today I'm done with the video. Yeah, for today I think that's all. So let me show you the mess I made. Okay, this is my tripod backdrop. Anyways, so right here, boxes, packaging that I just unboxed that fell, that have been here for a few weeks. Oh, that's, nobody see that. And all of these things that I had on my desk fell. So that's why it looks very messy and chaotic. And look, those are the foundations, the yellow foundation box that I have. All of the foundations fell, the whole box. So anyways, that's the yellow one I used today. So yeah, this, and look at my vanity. Oh my god, it's so messy. I need to clean it. And yeah, it's just a lot. It's because I also don't have a lot of space. But so probably today I'm also gonna clean or give away stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah. Bye. Yeah, I have a lot of PR stuff there too. Damn, I have a lot of stuff.